Join me as I take on the challenge of experiencing Australia's Big Lap adventures with some of the top channels in 2025. If you're anything like me, you've always been fascinated by the idea of embarking on an epic adventure around Australia, whether it be the Big Lap or just never-ending travel across our magnificent landscape. The Big Lap is a rite of passage for many travellers. Australia offers a unique blend of stunning landscapes, thrilling activities, and unforgettable experiences that will leave you feeling fulfilled and inspired. When it comes to planning your own Big Lap adventure, it can be overwhelming to find the right resources and channels that showcase these incredible journeys. You want to get a genuine feel for what to expect, learn valuable tips and tricks from seasoned travellers, and be inspired by their stories. But with so much content out there, it can be tough to know where to start. That's why I've scoured the web to bring you the best YouTube channels that will fuel your Big Lap dreams and provide you with the ultimate planning resource. From solo travellers to families, and from camper vans to 4x4s, these channels cover it all. And they're all listed in the details section below, along with a link to their respective channel and a little bit of information about the channel. If you're a content producer and your channel is not listed, please just drop a link to your channel in the comments below. Hi, I'm Andrew from Nomads Unplugged. I've been blown away by the quality and diversity of content these creators produce, and I'm excited to share them with you. So let's dive in and explore the top YouTube channels that will take you on an unforgettable adventure around Australia. First up, we have Wild Touring, a channel that's all about exploring Australia, camping out of their brand new caravan, interposed with Cam's Boys Own shorter trips.
That is psycho. That is the creepiest looking thing I've ever seen. Oh yeah, he just moved. Right, we're not doing this to harm him, just to see if he snaps.
Oh yeah, no, he's alive.
Oh.
They're just about to start their Big Lap, so now might be a good time to get on board. What I love about this channel is the mix of practical advice, honest reviews, and their unhyped style. And Tiff, I don't think you have resting bitch face, I just think you're very phlegmatic.
I'm often told that I have resting bitch faces.
Cam and Tiff will be ones to watch in 2025. Next we have Come See With Us, a new channel that showcases the adventures of a young couple travelling around Australia in their cosy van.
Australia is amazing. I love this country.
Their videos are full of energy, and I appreciate how they share their honest experiences, from the highs of hiking the trails of Karajini to the lows of dealing with mechanical and weather issues. If you're looking for a more family-friendly approach, Now or Never are a great channel to follow. This adventurous family of four shared their epic road trip around Australia, complete with stunning scenery, fun activities, and practical advice on travelling with kids, and more recently, dogs. They also rebuilt an old van twice.
God, you got no faith in me. Don't you remember I used to build caravans? Obviously I used to build caravans. Oh, for anyone who didn't know, I used to build caravans.
And arrange an annual charitable meetup/festival each year. Last but not least, we have Happy Campers Australia, a channel that's all about exploring the hidden gems of rural towns around Australia. I love their relaxing, laid-back vibe and the way they share their experiences of free camping.
So we're on our way back up to New South Wales, and we want to avoid the big towns.
Photography and sampling meat pies and pub stays. One standout moment that really caught my attention in 2024 was a series of daily episodes from 5 Down Under, where they tackled the infamous Gibb River Road in Western Australia.
You are in for a treat. This is our first episode first of hopefully about 14 or 15 episodes of the Gibb.
The scenery was breathtaking, think vast plains, towering gorges and sparkling waterfalls. And I loved how they shared their preparation, driving techniques and tips for navigating this challenging route and dealing with a broken fridge. What really stood out to me was the sense of camaraderie and community that emerged during this episode. The channel owners, Lee and TJ, invited a bunch of fellow travellers to join them on the journey, and it was amazing to see how they all worked together, shared knowledge and laughed with each other through the fun times. That's what I love about the Big Lap community. It's all about sharing knowledge, supporting one another, and celebrating the freedom and adventure that comes with exploring this incredible country. But there are so many more channels to offer, and who should you follow? There are the biggest, most successful channels, whether that be by total views, total subscribers, or total content uploaded to YouTube. The fastest growing channels, the Young Travellers channels. New family channels. New channels from couples in caravans. Channels that could do with your help to get to over 1,000 subscribers, at which time YouTube may start to pay them a little for their efforts. Those with the fewest videos so far, just getting started. Travellers with pets. Motorhome channels. Female channels. Niche channels. My favourite channels from 2024. Channels that have just begun their big lap. And channels that continue to travel the land down under. Those I'm looking forward to following in 2025. But we all have limited time, so who should you follow? Well, they need to be relatable to you, whether that's age, lifestyle, the vehicle they drive, whether they have pets, are they a retired couple, a young couple, are they single? They need to be informative, they need to be entertaining, and their content needs to be fresh. So search through the list below and find those content producers that appeal to you, or leave a comment outlining the type of channel you'd like to follow, and I'll try to respond with a short list. In this video, we've covered some of the top YouTube channels that showcase the thrill and beauty of Australia's big lap adventures. From rugged outback explorations to relaxing coastal getaways, these channels have something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you've got a favourite travel channel or experience, be sure to leave a comment below. Don't forget to check out my other travel planning videos and related travel adventures. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, see ya.